Right now, I'll just run a live demo for you. So what we've got here is two servers running. One is just a simple Hello World server. It's being monitored by Better Uptime. The other is a server which takes inbound webhooks from Better Uptime and activates the Dasha application from the Node.js code, which then calls me, talks to me, helps me to resolve these issues in real time. So you might ask, why do this with Better Uptime, since Better Uptime already does voice notifications? It does do that indeed, but those are just, hey, you've got an incident, hey, incident was resolved by types of notifications. What I'll show you today is significantly more advanced. So I just killed the server that we're monitoring, and any second we're going to get a webhook coming into our server here and activating the Dasha application. And there it goes. This is Arthur. Hello.
Hello, Arthur. This is Dasha calling you regarding your website. There has been an incident. You can acknowledge or resolve the incident right on the call with me. Please note, I will listen and take notes until you mention that you are ready to resolve or acknowledge.
Okay, let me take a look here.
Okay, I'll wait.
What's the status of the Kubernetes cluster?
Kubernetes is up and running.
And what's the status of TLS certificate and health check?
TLS certificate is active. Site health checks are not responding.
Okay. I can acknowledge the incident.
Can you please confirm that you want me to acknowledge the incident?
Yes, I can.
Got it. I have set the status of Better Uptime as acknowledged. The next step is to resolve the incident. Would you like me to notify other team members that there is an incident which may affect them?
Yes, please.
Okay, team members notified. I will wait for you to let me know when incident is resolved.
Okay. Oh, crap.
What happened, Arthur? Did you use the wrong terminal again?
Yeah, something like that. Hold on. Okay. Incident resolved.
Can you please confirm that you want me to acknowledge the incident?
Incident resolved.
Can you please confirm that you want me to resolve the incident?
Yes, I can.
Well done, Arthur. I have set the status in Better Uptime as resolved. Thank you and take care. Goodbye.
Bye. Right. Well, there you have it. So, as I mentioned earlier, we're also taking down the transcription of the conversation, and I should have just received an email with the transcript. There it is. So this is the transcript of the conversation that we have just had.